Guys, quick little update on the LS two-door. We just mounted the color match bumpers. Once that paint is cured on the bumpers, we're actually going to expel PPF the whole entire bumper. Color match bull guard. We have a black LED light bar going in. We did all gloss black trim on this entire Jeep, which looks absolutely killer. We also have we painted this gloss black as well. We got the color match D-rings, but we're gonna put some black ones on there and play with that as well. Full LS 6.0, built motor, built transmission. The current tire and wheel setup is just on there to move around the shop. New windshield, of course, came out when we did a full color change paint job. All gloss black trim throughout, which just gives it a super clean, modern look. When the glass was out, we did ceramic coating tint in-house. As always, paint wraps all the way around, no tape lines, no ending of the paint, goes all the way through. Full dyno mat throughout this entire cab. A lot of this is just leftover stuff, but dyno mat everywhere. We got the color match rear tire carrier. We actually have these coming in black as well.